That is good. Man. Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. Today I am making a spinach and orzo salad. This salad is filled with dried cranberries, fresh spinach, tender pasta, crumbled feta, and it is tossed in a sweet and tangy dressing. It is so delicious. It can be served immediately or kept in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days, which makes it a perfect make-ahead meal for lunch or dinner. So let me go over all the ingredients that you will need to make your spinach and orzo salad. So I'm using 1 bag of spinach, and there are 3 cups of spinach in this bag. And then I have 1/3 cup of crumbled feta and 1/2 cup of dried cranberries and 1/2 cup of toasted slivered almonds, but you could also use sliced. And then you're going to need your orzo pasta. Now, orzo pasta resembles rice, but it is actually pasta. I just wanted to show you guys what the box looks like. So when you go to the store, if you've never bought it, it is in the pasta aisle, and this is what you will be looking for. And you will need 1 cup of orzo pasta and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, so then to make the dressing, you will need 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then this here is 3 tablespoons of a golden balsamic. But you could also use a white balsamic or a champagne vinegar, and then 1 tablespoon of honey, and then you will also need some salt and pepper. So to a medium-sized pot, I'm going to add my olive oil. Then I'm going to add my orzo. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly toast this orzo in this olive oil. And this will just give the orzo a nice nutty flavor. And as the orzo begins to toast, you will start to smell it, start to smell a slight nutty smell. You definitely want to keep stirring it and keep your eye on it because you don't want it to burn. You just want it to lightly toast. And it will change to a golden color. And as soon as you see it starting to change, then you're going to pour in your water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in my water. And I'm going to add a couple pinches of salt. And I'm going to cook this pasta until it is nice and al dente, just like you would any other pasta. So while my pasta is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my dressing. So I'm going to add my olive oil to a little measuring cup here, along with my balsamic vinegar, and I'm also going to add my honey. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And I'm just going to take a little whisk and whisk this together. So I have drained the water off of the pasta, and then I put cold water and some ice in it just because I want to cool the pasta down completely quickly. Okay, I've got everything ready, so let's build a salad. Mm-mm. This is phenomenal. This is such a good salad. The dried cranberries just give a pop of sweetness. And then you've got the tang of the feta. I also love the crunch of those almonds. Oh, man, guys, this is a winner. And if you wanted to, you could add some chicken to this. It would just give you a little bit more of a hearty salad. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.